Created by Anthony Rizzo, Sydney, Australia. This is the F1 Submachine Gun. It was adopted by the Australian military around the 1960s. It was the replacement for the Owen gun for being outdated. However, at the time, Australia was adopting either an assault rifle or long gun as the primary class weapon for each soldier. So the F1, just like its predecessor, was a really good submachine gun. It was reliable and easy to maintain in harsh conditions due to its simple design. Of course, the 34 round magazine is inserted at the top. Only drawback I've heard is the inability or difficulty to fire in a prone position, unlike the Owen. Though the F1 did its job well, it didn't gain popularity to the men using it due to the introduction of the assault rifle, as during the Vietnam War, Australian soldiers preferred the F1A1 SLR or the American M16 rifle. Although it didn't see much action, the F1 submachine gun served for almost 30 years in the Australian Army, serving in conflicts and being used by a few neighbouring countries. From 1963 to 1973, 25,136 F1s were ever produced by the Lithgow Small Arms Factory. Ironically, they were producing the L1A1 SLR, which was favoured more, especially when it was upgraded to be an assault rifle. The assault class won at the end, but anyone that served in the military at that time, I would like to hear your comments about this for more details. By the late 80s, Australia was phasing out the F1 and other SMGs and long guns to be replaced by the Australians' own universal service rifle, the Australian AUG. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. Please like and subscribe, it brings a smile to my face. Say, did Lithgow made any other weapons? Well, they did. Check out the Australian SMLE Mark III video on the channel. And with that, I'm gonna play Bagger for Unity, which you can check out on the Rizman Play channel.